I'm Trishala Shah from Witty International School, Chikwadi. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my family and teachers whose constant encouragement and unwavering support played a crucial role in my success. Their belief in my potential kept me motivated. Being a topper is not just about grades but also nurturing the desire to continue learning and growing. During the preparation of my examination, I learned essential skills such as critical thinking, time management, and consistency. My family provided me emotional strength and created a positive environment. I'm really thankful to my family and teachers for believing in me and giving me the strength to overcome all obstacles and reach to my full potential. One of the key motivations to aim for top grades was setting clear and achievable goals. To maintain focus throughout the year, I took regular breaks and prioritized my tasks effectively. To revise thoroughly, I practiced topic-wise questions from various websites and I solved multiple past papers. These resources were extremely useful in the preparation of my exams. To manage my time effectively across all subjects, I created a detailed study schedule to keep track with all deadlines. I also created mind maps for better understanding and quicker revision. Besides studies, I also practiced yoga and meditation regularly. Additionally, Bharatanatyam served as a wonderful stress buster for me. The positive and motivating atmosphere of my school helped me throughout my academic journey. The teachers' constant encouragement and willingness to help cleared all my doubts. The positive environment of my school kept me driven towards my goals. Manifestation helps you to achieve your goals, but this is not possible without hard work, discipline, and determination. So be positive and persist in your studies.